Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to switch it up and do something different. I'm going to go over a little detailing video. I am kind of getting into detailing. I have a lot of chemical guys stuff and I'd like to do more detailing stuff on the channel. So if you'd like to see that, hit that thumbs up button and let me know in the comments. But today I'll be looking at a waterless wash, shine, and protect made by Shine Armor. Shine Armor was nice enough to contact me and ask if I wanted to check out this product. Now I've already used it on my car. I'm making a video about it now, and it does work great. As many as you know, ceramic coating has SiO2 elements in it, and that's exactly what this has. This has a ceramic coating in it, and that's what the protect part. So it's a waterless wash, shine, and protect. So you can no need to actually take your car to a car wash. I would say if it's super dirty, I wouldn't, but if you have just overused light dirt, little mud or something like that, this will take it off. Bird poop, any little thing like that, and it will also protect your car and give it that SiO2 element to it where stuff will just slide off and water will not get stuck in the little cracks and pores, because this is actually filling it in. In this, I got the actual chemical right here and a microfiber cloth, just a generic microfiber cloth that so far it looks like a pretty good quality. I got a couple of them, and you're going to need one because you're going to need to use one to wipe it down, one to spray on it, and then one to clean it. And what you can do is you can switch sides. So you can take it, use this side to spray down, so you'd spray down this side with the chemical, wipe it you do gently and pretty quick, and then you flip it and you buff in the actual coating, and that will leave the coating to stay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you guys in a time lapse, and I'm going to do half of the hood. So I'm going to do this side of the hood and just do some before and after shots of showing you what it looks like. So this is before. I know I do have some damage to my paint. I have things that look like they've sunk into the clear coat that I'm hopefully going to get out in the next couple of weeks, because I did just buy a bunch of buffing compound and pads, so I would like to take care of that, but I just got this for review, so I am going to show you guys how to use it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this just like this. So basically take your microfiber, it's a pretty big one, fold it, and then fold it again so you have a square. And I like to try to stick the tag inside so I don't have to worry about it, so something like this. So what I'm going to do is make sure you have it open. When you get this, there's just a cap and you have to put this nozzle in, so just make sure that it's open and just spray it down. And it does have a nice grape scent to it, and it smells pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work in a square about 3x3. So I'm going to set you up in a time lapse of this.
No, I can't sleep alone. You kiss me like you love me for life, even if it's only one night, even if it's only one night. 'Cause I've been coming down that Saturday slow, drinking in the morning to get up and go. Now I can't sleep alone.
Alright, I now am done. So I've done the right side of the car. Now, so here's the side, my car wasn't too dirty, but here's the side that I was spraying and actually cleaning the car with, and I was just gently going over like here, and leave a haze, as you can see right there. And then once that haze, while that haze is still on there, you just want to buff that out. You don't want to let that sit. And if you do let it sit, you'll have some marks, and you can get them back out, just respray them and then just buff them back out. But you really want to get it really quick so you don't have to, so you can buff it into the paint. Now, like I said, my paint isn't perfect on this car, but it feels so smooth. Like, it just feels so smooth. I don't know if you can hear this, but so smooth, really rough. Let me see if I can get some shots of showing you how the difference of it looks. So here is the left side not done, and here's the right side, and you can see when I bounce the light off it, it's kind of tricky to do because of the light that I have, but when you see when I bring the light off where the trees come, you can see how much more shiny the right side looks. So you can see the left side, how it looks dull. And I bring the light over, you can see how much more shiny this side looks. I know it's not too sunny, I wanted to do it in the shade, and you should be doing it in the shade, not in direct sunlight, but it looks so much better. And if you just listen, really smooth, and just dirt is everywhere. It did come out great. It feels super smooth so far. I've used the product a couple times and I do really like it. I have no complaints about it. The only thing is you do eat through microfiber cloths, because every single time you do it, you need to use a new one. But that's that. So I know this isn't the best thing for your paint, and like I said, my paint's not that great, but a lot of people like to see the water tester, the slide test. So here you go. This is the side that's been treated. Falls right off. Here's the side that has not been treated. It just stays put. It doesn't move anywhere. I mean, it doesn't even want to slide, just because there's so much grit and dirt. But if you look right here, can't even let it sit. I don't even need to slide it. It slides right on its own. Last thing I want to do is just spray some water on it and show you how water looks sitting on top of it. So that's that side. We should do. I don't really notice a difference of the way water sits on it. You can see that the right side is starting to fall off because of that hydrophobic coating. It just wants to slide down like it's on a piece of glass. This side, not so much, just kind of sits there, and that side kind of slides down more. So those are really the big two tests people like to do with the ceramic coating. Now, I know this isn't a true ceramic coating, but so far it's been great. I put this on 2 weeks ago and I just started to have to apply it again. It's not a true ceramic coating, but it does have some sort of ceramic coating like features, and it does work like ceramic coating. Just how long it lasts, it's like washing your car. So that's all I have for this video. Like I said, if you guys want to see more detailing videos, I really am getting into it and I enjoy doing it, and I want to make this car look amazing. But this is just a look at the Shine Armor Waterless Wash, Shine and Protect. Smells like grape, smells awesome. Thank you so much for Shine Armor for sending this out. This is a great product. I will be buying more of it, just because it's a quick, easy way of washing your car if you don't want to take it to the car wash, or like a bird poops on it or something really stupid and you just want to keep your car looking nice. Just bust this out, keep it in your trunk with a microfiber, and you're good to go, and you can do it at any time. As you saw, very quick to put on. And that's all I have. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.